If you're new to Microsoft Teams, this tutorial is for you. Teams is a powerful platform that combines chat, video meetings, file sharing, and collaboration all in one place. Today, I'm going to walk you through the basics so you can get started quickly and confidently. First, let's look at the Teams interface. On the left-hand sidebar, you'll find the main sections. Activity, where you see notifications and mentions. Chat, where you can message individuals or groups. Teams, where you access your teams and channels. Calendar, which syncs with Outlook. And Files, where all your shared documents live. Next, let's create a new team or join an existing one. To create a team, click the Teams tab, then select Join or create a team at the bottom. You can build a team from scratch or use an existing Microsoft 365 group. To join an existing team, you can enter a code provided by your admin or accept an invitation. Inside a team, you'll find channels, which are dedicated spaces for different topics or projects. You can post messages, share files, and even integrate apps for added functionality. One of the most important features in Teams is chat and meetings. To start a chat, click the new chat icon, type the person's name, and start typing your message. You can also create group chats by adding multiple participants and giving the chat a custom name. For meetings, click the Calendar tab, then New Meeting. You can schedule meetings in advance, invite participants, and even add a Teams meeting link that integrates with Outlook. During meetings, you can share your screen, use the chat, record the session, and enable Together mode for a more interactive experience. Finally, let's talk about file collaboration. Inside Teams, you can upload files directly to a chat or channel, co-edit Word, Excel, or PowerPoint documents in real time, and access version history to see changes. Teams also lets you pin important chats, mute notifications, and use mentions to get someone's attention quickly, helping you stay organized and productive. That's a quick beginner's guide to Microsoft Teams. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Microsoft Teams tips and tutorials. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update and start exploring Teams today.